Hey guys, it is Monday here in West Virginia, so it's time for us to do our Mopar Monday, and we are here at our Mr. Norm's Grand Spalding Dodge Diorama, and we're unboxing a couple of M2 machines, Mopars, one Dodge and one Plymouth. I think probably one of these you've seen sitting right here in the front row, maybe when we've done other videos. It is the 70 Superbee. Usually I keep that on the front line in front of the showroom. This is the only 70B body that I have of, I believe. Yeah, I think it is the only 70B body that I have. I've been contemplating getting a green light, Roadrunner, or Satellite because those are nicely done, but I haven't pulled the trigger yet. This is a very nicely done casting from M2. This is the only 70 made that is true to scale. Johnny Lightning makes a really nicely detailed one, but it's a little bit too small. Actually, it's really too small. It's a lot too small. So anyways, that's the problem with the Johnny. But they do have a couple of really nice variants of it, in like the banana yellow and the panther pink. They look very, very nice, but they're just too small for my diorama. Now, if you were just putting them in like a display case or something, why not? They look great. But if you want something true to scale, M2 is the only one that is true to scale. And this, I will take out here. I just put it back in the box so you can see it. This is from the Release 33 Detroit Muscle, if you are interested in trying to locate one. I'm not sure what shade of blue this is. I don't believe it's B5 blue. I think it's a little bit light for B5 blue. Not sure. But this is your 1970 Dodge Superbee Hemi. And as you can see, the engine compartment's very nicely done on this one. Blue with a black vinyl top and a white interior, which is pretty nice looking combo with the white Superbee C stripes, I guess I would call them, on the quarter panel. So let's get him out of the display case and get a closer up look at him. I'm not going to pop these out of the display stand. I'm going to leave them on there. Now this is opening parts because it is Detroit Muscle, as you can see. But the door jambs and stuff on this one are fairly nice. As you can see, it lined up pretty good. Wing windows are spot on both sides, so not disappointed with this one. The opening hood opens well and it closes well. The gaps are there, nicely done. The only problem with this one, though, it doesn't roll too well. Not because the axles are bent, but because the tires rub a little bit. If you notice on some of their newer drivers series, they all come with the Magnum 500 style wheels because they're a little bit narrower. And they don't rub, but they don't look as good as these. These look really good in my opinion because they fill the wheel opening. They look really good. This is a very cool car. I wouldn't mind having actually more of these in my diorama in different colors with this wheel combo. So pretty cool casting from M2. Another one that we're going to take a look at here is the Plymouth, and this is one that you may not have seen. He usually sits in the lot over here to the left, and this is their 1968 Plymouth Barracuda 340. I have another one, and I forgot to bring it out for you, but I'm going to do a look at my Hot Wheels 50 car display case and show you guys all the cars I have in there one day. And one of them is the Hearst Superstock one that is in gray primer with the black gel coat glass front end. Very cool piece. I bought it actually loose. It took me a while to find that variant. So when I seen this 340 Formula car and I seen the way it looked, just like killer, so I had to get it. Love the color combo, the dark green with the black stripes, the color matched stillies with the poverty caps, red line tires, and once again, like the Superbee, it's got a white bucket seat interior. And nice detail in the engine compartment. Nice detail all around with door handles, gas filler cap, marker lights. Very, very nicely done. And this is a 69, sorry. Yeah, I was going to say 68 because the marker lights are rectangular and not round, so I read that wrong. But anyways, the super stock I have is 68. That's the only year they did the Hearst super stock. So let's get him out of there and take a look at him. This one also, the door jambs on the driver's side line up pretty good. The passenger side, not too bad either. So their older releases, they used to take a little bit more pride in quality control. And this still, I put the plastic back in there that props the hood open. But as you can see, nice detail on the 340. Now the inner fenders aren't that hot on this one like they are on the B bodies and such. But not bad though. Looks okay. But really cool car. Nice tail panel. And the exhaust outlets. Such very cool piece. Nice detail on the grill. So this is another nice casting from M2. I liked it when they used to do these are more original looking pieces. I just picked up the newest 71 Charger RT from them, and it's okay. It's an original, like, how can I say, like barn find looking car, but they put chrome wheels and nice chrome bumpers on it. It doesn't fit the patina of the car, but we're going to do an unboxing on it probably next week along with some older release 71 Charger RTs, so tune back in for that. But beforehand, we're going to be doing a I don't know if we're going to do one midweek or not. We'll see what happens. If not, we'll be back on Friday to do our Free It Friday with something most likely from Hot Wheels or maybe even M2. Not sure yet. But enjoy your week, guys. I appreciate you watching. And sorry we didn't get these off the bases, but you'll see them again in the lineup here at the dealership. So thanks for watching, guys, and we will be back later this week.